Changing your primary device on FuboTV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your preferred device is set as the primary one. Step 1. Log into your FuboTV account. Open the FuboTV app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Device Management. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Remove current primary device. Identify the device currently set as your primary device. There should be an option to remove or deactivate it. Click on this option to remove the current primary device. Step 5. Set new primary device. After removing the old primary device, go back to the Device Management section. Log into FuboTV on the new device you want to set as primary. This action will automatically update your primary device. Now you have successfully changed your primary device on FuboTV. Enjoy your streaming experience.